Now today we are going to start with the type 2 of the equations, that is equations where the variable is on both the sides, that is both LHS and RHS. As you can clearly see, I've written two examples out here. I'll explain you both the examples very clearly so that you get an idea how to solve such equations. Now yesterday when we were talking about solving equations, I told you have to keep the variable on one side and the all numbers on the other side, and here the same rule follows. We'll bring all the terms having variables on one side and take the numbers on the other side first. Okay, so here if you see 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Now you can take this 2x and x together. Now how we'll do that, we always prefer to keep the variable on the left hand side, and we are going to do that only now also. So let's start solving this one. So if you have 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2, what we'll do is we'll bring this x from here to this side and take this minus 3 from here to the other side. So how does it happen? It becomes 2x. Now this x is in plus, right? In front of x there is no sign, this means it's a plus. So it becomes what? 2x minus x is equal to, and this minus 3 from here goes to the other side with this plus 2 is as it is here, so it is minus, it was minus 3, now here it becomes plus 3. Now 2x minus x is how much? X, and 2 plus 3 is how much? That is 5. So you can clearly see that the answer comes out to be x is equal to 5. We can even verify this, so let's see the verification. Now for verification, you can take 2x minus 3 left hand side. I told you earlier also, you have to take the sides separately. We'll take left hand side first. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to 5. So you will write 2 into 5 minus 3, which is equal to 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. Now your RHS is not 7, your RHS is x plus 2. You have to check whether your RHS also comes out to be 7 on solving. So it is x plus 2, which is equal to what is the value of x? X is 5, so 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. Now you can see that both LHS and RHS are same. Now since LHS is equal to RHS, so hence verified. We can see that our answer is perfectly correct. Similarly, we are going to do the second example. I know it appears to be quite tricky one, but it's very easy to solve. You have to be very calm and composed when you solve such questions. Okay, now in this scenario, it's firstly up to you whether you want to simplify both the sides by taking LCM, or you want to shift the variables first and the numbers first and then do the simplification. It's completely your choice, there is no problem about it. Now let's do one thing. Let's do by taking the variables, the terms with the variables on one side and the numbers to the other side. So what will happen here is we have 5x here and here we have 3 by 2x. So we'll take this 3 by 2x from here to this side and this 7 by 2 from here to the other side. So we have 5x minus 3 by 2x is equal to, now this is minus 14, so we write minus 14 first and then we write minus 7 because it was plus 7 by 2, so it becomes minus 7 by 2. Now you can see that you have to anyways take LCM out here. So here the LCM will be 2. So if you have the LCM as 2, the answer here will become 10x minus 3x, and here again the LCM is also 2. So minus 2 into 14 will be minus 28 minus 7. Now 10x minus 3x is how much? 7x by 2, and this will be minus 35 by 2. Now you know you have to keep your variable alone. You have 7 by 2 with it. Now this 2 goes there in, it's here in division, so it goes there in multiplication, and this 7 is in multiplication, so it goes there in division. So the value of x is equal to minus 35 by 2 in multiplication with 2 and in division with 7. Okay, so you can cancel these two things. It becomes what? Minus 5, and you can cancel this. It becomes how much? It remains to be 1, so the value of x comes out to be minus 5. Okay.